In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a hex code, what a color scheme is, and how to use said hex code. So if you're ever drawing a shape, whether it's a shape like this, or if you make it out of lines, like with the polyline, with like what we'll be doing, either way, what you're going to be doing is remove the border. No matter what you do, remove the border. Make it transparent. And then what you want to do is, if you want to change the color, you have these, and you can also do custom colors where you can drag through. But what if there's a specific color you want from an image? Well, then we need to know its hex code, which is right here. So with that, you can come over to Google and type in color schemes. This, well, spell correctly. It'll take you here. It's a very broad, so it's going to take you to, so just type in color schemes, it's going to take you to more like definitions and stuff. It'll bring out a few. So say I wanted like a green color scheme, it would pull that up. Beach color scheme. So just think about kind of something you want. So I'll look at this. This has colors on it, but one, I can't see the codes, and two, sometimes those codes aren't correct that are on there. So if that's the problem you're running into, copy the image, go back to Google and type in hex code grabber, and I usually just use this one, color picker online. You can use whichever one pops up first, just make sure it's free. When you click it, you should already have your image copied, so if you didn't do that before, just copy your image again. This pops up, then you gotta hit Control V. It will put that color in there for you. It will show you the basic palette here, but if there's a specific color that's not popping up here that you want up here, all you have to do is click on it. And this changed and gave you a hex code. Click on this. And then you go back to this. Click in here. Control V. You'll know it worked if this changes colors. So I have that. So once again, what if I wanted a pink scheme? I can't spell to save my life. So if I got this, I can copy this picture, come here, Control V. I know this is the color I'm going to be looking for, so I'll just go ahead and hit it, because this is this one and that's the one I wanted. I'm going to copy the hex. Don't copy the RGB, copy the hex. Click on your item, fill it, add a color. There, so now you're building yourself up a custom palette. That is how you deal with color scheme, find a hex, and what it does.